How to recover Gmail account. Welcome back to Lemme Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. If you are trying to recover your Gmail account but constantly receive an error, we suggest you do not try again and again as it might get your account locked. Instead, follow this easiest alternative way to recover your account. All you have to do is tap open your Gmail account. Now once you are in here, select the three-line icon, scroll down to the very bottom, then select the option of Help and Feedback. It will redirect you to a new page. Select the option of Send Feedback. When you tap on it, you will see some of the options. Select Get Started. Now if you select on Recover My Account, then tap on Continue. You'll be getting some of the articles that may be helpful for your recovery process. However, if you have done all of the steps written in this article, yet you cannot recover your account, we have an alternative way. Head back from here and select on Report an Issue. When you tap on it, a bot will reply to it. Then just select on Other. Now in this box, you have to enter the problem that you are facing. You can just type in, I can't recover my account, then enter your account email address. Go ahead and type in. You can follow the same format or you can be creative with it. Once you are done